This vegetable frittata you definitely love because it's low carb and high protein. That means that it's very filling, perfect for breakfast or brunch. And the best part is that you can whip up the frittata in a matter of around 5 to 6 minutes. The recipe is budget friendly. It's packed with lots of nutrients because we've added in some fresh vegetables, and also loaded with lots of protein which our body needs, since we're going to be adding in eggs. So you're going to start off by prepping a few vegetables. I have some cabbage, zucchini, carrots, and onions. And all these vegetables have lots of nutrients which are going to add in our breakfast. So I'm going to move over to my stove top because I've already prepped up everything. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Spread the oil in the pan, and as my pan is getting hot, I'm going to be using free range eggs, and I have 6 eggs which I'm going to be using for this recipe. So it's going to be loaded with lots of protein. Once my oil is ready, I'm going to add in 1 small onion, and then I'm going to saute for around 1 minute until the onion is soft. You don't want to brown your onions because they won't be looking very appealing once your frittata is ready. So once the onions are soft, I'm going to be adding in the rest of the ingredients, which is zucchini, carrots, and my cabbage. At this point, I'm going to reduce the flames to low, and using my spatula, I'm going to stir in all the veggies and cook for around 1 to 2 minutes until the veggies are softened up. Don't overcook the veggies because you want to enjoy your frittata with a crunch from the vegetables. So as the veggies are cooking, I'm going to add in some seasoning. So I'll add in some garlic powder, half a teaspoon, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, salt for seasoning, and chili flakes, which are optional, but I would love to add some in my frittata. Stir in all the seasoning, and as you can see, the veggies have wilted down. Because I don't want to overcook my veggies, very quickly I'm going to crack in my eggs in a bowl. Add in a little bit more salt to my eggs, and using a fork, I'm going to whisk in the eggs. You can see my eggs have a very nice, gorgeous yellow color because they're free range eggs. So back to my pan, I'm going to use my spatula and spread the veggies on my pan. Then I'm going to be adding in my eggs. I'm using low flame to cook my eggs, so I'm going to use my spatula and spread the veggies in the pan evenly. Then I'm going to let my eggs cook for around 2 minutes so that we can flip. Yeah, the kitchen is smelling so good at this point. And I have one more extra ingredient, which is unsalted butter, which I'm going to be adding in the next few minutes, in around 2 minutes, that is. I'm going to use a spatula and make sure the edges are released from the pan. Then I'm going to add in my butter. Because I'm using a non-stick pan, it's going to be very easy for me to flip my egg, and the butter has added in a very nice buttery taste to my eggs. So I'm going to use my plate to flip my eggs. So I'm going to transfer into my plate and flip. Perfect. Cook for 30 seconds to 1 more minute. You're going to put out the flames when your egg is ready, and then you're going to transfer to your plate. Wow, just look at my egg. It's so gorgeous. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of coriander to add some color. Use a pizza cutter and cut my frittata just like a pizza. And then lastly, I'm going to be adding in some sauce. This is a recipe that you'll want to cook again and again because the frittata is perfectly cooked. The flavors are amazing and warm, and it's perfectly seasoned. You can tweak out the recipe by adding some more veggies and it will be just amazing.